You will be amazed by this 2022 Nissan Frontier. Make comfort and convenience part of every job in this well-equipped Frontier. This midsize pickup is built to work as hard as you do, and it's available at an exceptional value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, midsize truck capability at an oversized value. That's the Frontier. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.